Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire. Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with a girl Dipped in Chocolate. So you see that my hair is out. Yes, I just done pull up my braids, and I am thinking about going out to shop. So the next vlog that is coming up will be my room decor, so stay tuned for that. If you guys have not yet subscribed or like or even left a comment in the comment section down below, make sure you do that. Let's give you a look at time. 5 4 3 2 1. Done it? Yes. Okay. All right guys, so I'm gonna go to Walmart. We'll get some stuff. My groceries have ran down, and I don't know water. Not really I know water in the house, and I want to have more water and look stuff them. I know say it's another month, so the girl have to have our girly stuff them stock up. Alright? Right. So without further ado, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'm thinking, because I'm natural here, my natural state, I want to even put on a little makeup for go shopping. What y'all think? What y'all think? I'm gonna do my makeup. Look at me. I love my hair. My hair is so long. Look here, guys. Yes, it's giving. It's giving. So my ear look nice and everything, and I'm just looking so beautiful in this red robe. I got it from Temu. It's really cheap. I got it for like 6 or 7. Let me tell you, the robe was really cheap. I think it was like $4 or $5, honestly. Guys, you know what, shop on Shein and Temu, you know, them cheap, them have sale, them have coupons and them something. So you must check them out, because this robe is so nice. I've had it for like 3 months now, and nice, clean. See, right? I'm so, but I feel myself right now, guys, because I just look cute, I just look nice, I go with myself. I'm gonna do my makeup. I feel like I should do it, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, so guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let's go. Honey.
For so long, so stuck in my own way, so I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to see like the top down. Oh, there's nothing more way to live right now. So let's not waste another day. From 2009 to season 1, let's take a ride through the city like the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. There's nothing more way to live, and I ain't worried about it. So let's not waste another day. Come too far.
I have a list of things so many need to buy, so let's see if I can accomplish everything. Guys, when we are trying our best not go over $100, well, 150. We're not going over $100, so let's do this. I now buy the onion because we get some onion over there. So I now buy no onion. I buy corn, I buy sweet pepper and corn, sweet pepper and potato. I have chicken in the yard, so it's between shrimp and steak. Shrimp steak, well, I definitely want some pork, but I don't see the pork on me. I want pork with bone, I see boneless pork, I want pork with bone. So I'm going to look. $8 them lie. So this is a beef cheek meat. Not sure more. Guys, I may or may not buy this. But now like want some access to this hill. So I'm just see it. Me love sardine, I know about uno. The sardine I buy are $1.07. So yep, I love sardine. I love my tin food. I have canned beef here, so I have to buy more canned beef. I think I have to buy one luncheon. But I have the pork up my yard, so I have to buy that. You see it, so I have to buy that. Like anytime I buy one of them here, it actually like serve me. So actually I can buy one party size ruffles because it served me like it did feel good because so I have potatoes, scallion, corn, I have ribs, and I have buy paprika and a sardine. And you know look at seasoning them. So there's some little stuff I have left back and I have some things I'm gonna look on because I want to purchase it in the future, but I'm not gonna purchase it right now. So we definitely have to buy water and juice. I'm gonna buy one cran juice and an apple juice plus a case of water. So I have to make sure say look on where you buy because sometimes we buy foolishness because you know we in a rush and this is buy. So this is $3.84. I like this one, but I don't know. I just like the mutts more. Like to be honest, I love the mutts more. So I go with the mutts. Even though that's all more, but the taste where it give me, the mutts better for me. I'm gonna buy one cranberry juice. You have some more sugar free that tastes better than that bitter. I'm gonna get one way. You know the right one. I sure know. Cause me not even know it, but when I see it, I know I eat. Other persons are staring like, guys, y'all don't know who it is. I'm just joking. I should have had my mic. Like I always be forgetting my mic. I saw driving hard. Come, I can't steer the friggin' something here. I need some stuff to my sets. I want some Ensure. Definitely want Ensure. Because more I'm gonna eat the breakfast, we just drink an Ensure. When we reach our work, we will just maybe get something to eat. But on the way, we'll drink an Ensure. You understand? So let's get an Ensure. Oh guys, I heard that they have some iPhones and phone over here, so I'm gonna check it out. Because I may or may not be upgrading my phone. Guys, I am so fucking crazy. Guess what I almost did? So this is where all the 1,500 and then Monday worth of TV there. And guess what? Me nearly mash up people on TV. Me nearly mash up the people them how much in money worth of TV. Can somebody ask me what's wrong with me? Me mash up people on TV, you know? Jesus, have mercy. Have mercy upon the little girl here. Leave drop in the dirt, Morgan, man. Cause something must wrong with me. Why am I not pay attention upon that? And I'm phone with the pan, you know? This me the pan. I look upon what else me for buy. I'm gonna say me nearly mash up the people on TV. Due to all me just run off. Not even run off. Me come back to my country, you know? Come in and have to figure them back on TV money. So remember I said that I wanted to look on something but I didn't want to buy it. Yeah, I really want a sneakers. Because the one that I'm wearing right now is hurting my foot. So I think I need to get one. This not bad. It's a 6.5, 8. Whenever should I get it? Guys, don't pay me no mind. I'm a crazy ass girl. Like, I be screaming and shit. Like, what's wrong with me? I don't know what's wrong with me, but when I find out, y'all be the first person to know. This is a 9.5. It's not 9.5 more, ma'am. If me get, alright, me try the 8, yeah. If it can fit me, megabytes. It's $14.98. Like, what's wrong with me? Why don't I like? Oh my god, like behave like a normal human being. Megabytes still. If the 8 can fit, megabytes. I'm finna get it, sorry. May I get it, and like when I buy this and all, I come out of the place and I buy nothing else. Really need a black shoes because the one I have inside I feel away. I wonder if I should buy this and just buy something more comfortable because in the shoes I'm just trying a while ago, they're really feel too comfortable. More something more comfortable. You know, one look away. You understand what I say? This a big house. I'm show you the one there. $19. The one of that kind of feel comfortable with this. I mean, I like look like a hiking boot. I want shoes like this I have now. But I don't like that, you know, but I just, you know, no lace, no at all. Now my friend them have one of them shoes there, you know. I don't want me in the same shoes because me, if I'm not follow a girl, I'll try on this and see how it look. See better now? I'm trying to get an 8 instead of 8.5. Sean na like more. This feels tough. The same thing still. I go with the right. You see the one I feel better though? this is how my cart is looking right now. I'm finna check out. Right, me never see them cheap one, huh? Oh, what else? Me never see you. Me never see your mama. But you look like you're uncomfortable. You look like you will give me food can. No, I'm not buy you. Even though I really love you, look at cheapness still. But you know, you just look like you don't give me food some can. It tough. It hard like life. Why do I talk like that though? I need to stop talking like that because I'm not that type of girl. I'm really a bougie ass bitch. Clearance sale in a Walmart. Come get your stuff. $12 for the jeans. $12 for the jeans them. So I'm going to check out now because I'm finished for today. When I go home, I'm gonna cook. So you guys gonna see what I cook. I'm gonna meal prep for the week. So you're gonna see all that. I'm so hungry, so I'm really excited to go home and cook. Well, I'm more excited to eat than to cook, but I have to do what I have to do. I just there with my pretty self, but I walk around the place, feeling like a goddess. Everybody looking at me like they're saying like, oh my god, this girl is so fucking pretty. Like, she shouldn't be here. She should be in Jupiter, Saturn, or Mars. She shouldn't be on Earth because she's so beautiful. Like, yeah, I know, right? So, never link on about one time I check out, and one time I go back home. You know, there's a Jamaican store down the road. I wonder if I can make the driver, but I go down there. But the driver doesn't behave like so, and the money I get. You understand? The shuttle doesn't behave shuttled. In that shackled. In brain doesn't behave shackled. I'm crazy, I know this, but alright. Let me see what we can do, yeah. How are this? How are that? Oh, a lip balm. Nice. I'm really skeptical about buying that shoes. I'm like, should I? Do I have to? Oh, mom, I'm not getting a shrimp. I'm not getting no shrimp. Buy shrimp, you know. But next time, I guess. Well, I'm sure we'll go buy the shrimp. You see, if all this don't reach nowhere near $100 or past $100 or so, me I go for the shrimp. I said the woman said, what on? I go for the shrimp. Should be my mic. Just hope so not hear me and everything. I'm like, look at makeup for the table, so I'm like, look at makeup. No, somebody, I did it myself. I did it myself, guys. I don't know, shopping, did my makeup, doing this girly stuff. It's just so therapeutic to me. I just can't wait until I redecorate my apartment. Like, y'all gonna see how I get down. Even though I might not get like every single thing on my want, but trust me, y'all gonna like it. It's gonna be so cute. I mean, I get everything on the want, so on the way I'm gonna do more decoration, like part 1, part 2, part 3. But yep. Alright guys, later. I'll see you when I check out. So my phone died, so this is... I'm just so mad right now because my phone died, guys. So I'm showing you what I'm doing already.
Talk about some curry fish, you see me? Some baked ribs, you see me? Some mud rice and peas. What kind of rice? Mashed pasty, or whatever I call it. Some mashed potato, ingredients, egg, potato, cheese, mayonnaise, and some corn seed coffee.
But let's hope so the ribs come out like how I want it to come out. Because Child, I'm so exhausted. I want to sleep, honestly.
I'm so sorry, guys, that I didn't get to show you guys the whole process, but because my phone died. But yeah, this is just some pictures of the food, guys. My uncle this in me one chef and look on book my rice, shelly and nice. No, so the boy after married me. But guys, without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when your girl dipped in chocolate uploads another video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.